Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you all. Let's get started. So I got two different shades of this lavender. So I got this purple lavender. Just gonna glue this later on. And then I have this white lavender. I got 3 of each, and then I have this cattails, so 3 of each. So these are 9, so $9 total for this decorative nautical rope. I've been seeing this being hauled by other YouTubers, but it's the first time I've seen it in my store. I got this one as well. It's a jute cord. Got one in this color green. And then I got also this lace ribbon for crafting and journaling. I also got the jute cord in orange. And then here's the pink one. So yeah. So they're all 3 yards each, or 2.74 meters. More for crafting. I got another tacky glue. And so far, I've been happy with the first one that I got, and I still have some, but I want to stock up. I don't know how long they will be holding this. This year, I'll be doing a lot more crafting, so that's why I'm buying more materials. Okay, so I buy this, but I don't use them for walls. If you recall, last year, I think I did a Happy Planner cover using this image here at the front, and this image here for the back cover. Okay, so I bought it again. I don't think it's the exact same set, but I'll be using it again to decorate or embellish my journals. And also this one is the robot theme. There's also one there that's monster theme. This is a wall jumbo stickers, and this is the design. So they're half the tree. I don't know yet if I'm going to be using it or either frame it for a wall or do a collage or frame them in 4 separate frames and then put them next to each other. That entered my mind, but at the same time, it's as good as is to be placed on a wall. These paper bags, usually this is like a lunch bag, but I am going to be using this for making flip books. There are 40 counts in this one, so I know I can have a lot of fun making numerous projects on this one. Also got a couple of stickers. I try to avoid buying so much stickers because I have a few already and I don't want to overload my collection. Besides, I'm kind of delving into die cuts nowadays, so I'm gonna try to save up money to buy me some die cuts, because I bought myself Spellbinder when it was on 50% off at Michael's online. So I only bought a couple because I haven't seen this design before and I know I can use them immediately. I use Dollar Tree stickers, especially this one that look like chipboards, and these are what I call the 3D stickers when making greeting cards. And this one has 7. There's a classic typewriter or vintage typewriter here. And I'm sorry for the glare, guys. I hope it's not bothering you. Let me just open this one here. There we go. Lesser glare. Trying to find a typewriter that I can buy online. I've been searching on eBay, Amazon, and also Etsy. Hopefully I can find what I'm looking for. I'm looking at the particular model, and it will be added to my craft room, and I want it functional because I want to use it. Instead of buying that We Are Memory Keepers typewriter, I want to buy an authentic one, and because I grew up using typewriters, so it's going to be really nostalgic for me. So yeah, this other design here is also 7, and this one, instead of the typewriter that you see on the other one, let me just remove this again from the packaging. There we go. Okay, so this one is a vintage camera, while the other one is a vintage typewriter. So this one says Hope. So I'm thinking there's a third design, because you know how in the Bible, hope, faith, and love. So I didn't see anything about Fate. Just this two. I'm thinking Fate is completely out. So correct me if I'm wrong. If you are, if you've been on your Dollar Tree lately, if you found the Fate one. So yeah, I'm gonna look for that. See what the vintage picture it's gonna be. This one is a mailbox, and I like that it has a functioning lever here. And they come in 3 sizes, so I took the jumbo one. So there's a large, there's a medium, and then there's a small one. So I took the large one. I figured if you're paying $1, why settle for the small one? I think that I can really use this in my craft room because it kind of complements a lot of the colors you'll see in my craft room. And by the way, I'm going to have a craft room tour pretty soon once I'm done with everything that I need to organize. I found this set of 4 glass tea light holders. If you recall, and I'm going to insert a photo here as well as the link to that DIY, I have the glue gun stand that I created using a tea light, glass tea light votive holder. And used to be, when I bought that, it was only 2, okay, in a pack, but this one is 4. But this one is a little taller. One are shot glasses, but this is acrylic and it's not real glass. And what I like about this one is the sets come in 10 pieces and the rims have silver. Okay, so silver band in the rims. I bought another set of this because I'm going to be creating a DIY, and they only have 3 sets left there. So I figured if they're going to discontinue, I might as well stock up. So I just purchased one. That's very versatile. Scotch transparent tape, and it has 2 rolls, 3/4 inch by 250 inch. So it's 6.94 yards. This one, I think you will agree that it is adorable. I know it's for babies, but I'm thinking I could probably cut this and make it like either a planner cover or a dashboard, or yeah, or even maybe do a cutout, kind of like a die cut style for my journaling. I love hot air balloons, and we live here in the area where hot air balloons are always flying over our neighborhood. So I'll probably cut the word hello. And you know, actually, even if it's not a baby infant, hello baby, you know, you can still use it, I think. And the back doesn't have the shiny finish that the front has. So yeah, for $1. This also for another DIY that I'm planning, and I'm talking about planner. I often credit Coupon to Provide for introducing me to these chopping mats. And actually, I use these chopping mats to line our refrigerator, and our refrigerator is due for another cleanup. So I'm probably going to be using this for that, but I have used this also to organizing my scrapbooking paper pads, and also as dashboard for my Happy Planner from 2 years ago. I bought these brush pens. I'm delving into being more artsy and craftsy, so I'm hoping that this one would work, where I can put a watercolor here and then I can use this to paint. This one is in the gardening section, and it says plant label and 10 pieces in each. So I'm thinking about using this either for organizing or in one of my craft DIYs. So I often use the Dollar Tree paper towel holder, especially the white one, but recently I used this one for my buffet caddy. And I am thinking about creating another organizer for another area in our home, and I'll be showing that pretty soon. So yeah, if you can grab this, grab them soon and stock up. App storage box, a tool that I purchased online from Amazon, and I think they discontinued this one. And I'm going to be using this, you know, for punching when I am doing my journaling. And I want to keep here, you know, some of the eyelets that I'm going to be using. So this is what I'm going to be using for organizing my eyelets, along with this tool. Okay, here's a set of 3 ballpoint pens as well as 2 mechanical pencils. So these are 5 counts for $1, and this kind of remind me of the Target Dollar Spot set of pens, but they're only 3 pens. But this one they gave you also the technical pens. So yeah, for 5 pieces for $1, and I love using pens like this for my planner. Hopefully it writes well. Let me give it a try. Okay, let me get a paper. Oh, good. It writes well. So I think it would work well for my planner and journaling. So yeah. And also when I'm giving planners or journals, I also give pens. This is a desk organizer, and I like using their organizers for multiple things. So let me see whether I can use this for something else other than mail, incoming and outgoing mail, or organizing our bills. So yeah, this will be probably on my desk. This acrylic butter dish, because I have another DIY that's coming up pretty soon. I'm excited to complete it, and I need an extra one to create that DIY. So yeah, watch out for that. Some kind of sticky thing here. I've used this in my my utility cart, crafting cart, and I've used 4 of them and stacked them on top of each other. So I need one for my desk. So yeah, I purchased one, and this is the only one left, and there was something sticky and I was wiping it with a napkin. So yeah, so that's why it's that. I still need to kind of clean it up some more, but yeah, if you can find this, go grab this, because they're stackable and easy to open up. This one again, the cabinet shelf, and you've seen my pantry organization for this year. I've used a couple of these, so I've grabbed another one, and this is going to be here for my craft room. Also got me this containers. They come in different sizes, the big or wide ones, but I purchased the smaller ones. This one, I don't know if they have measurement. These by Essentials, and they're really tough. Not that flimsy, so no measurement on this one. This one is 7 by 11. 7 by 11. So another DIY coming up using this containers. And then this one is the 6.5 by 12. So this is longer than the other one, right? But, and probably even deeper, because this one is like 4.5 inches deep. This one is 3.5 inches deep. So this is deeper by an inch. So I've got another DIY coming up, and I'll be utilizing this, and this is for organizing our home. I like these aluminum foil sheets that you can just take out just like napkins, just like tissue paper. 30 foils each, and these are the sheets that are larger. There's another type there, but narrower than this one, so why get the narrow one? Just get the big one, and it's 20% more. Another thing I found there is the Sure Fresh slider seal jumbo size, and there are 5 sacks in here. And then this one is for sandwiches, and this one 12. This one has 50 pieces here. This one has 12 pieces here, and this has a slider seal as well. So this is for freezer. And also, let me try to open this up, see how big this is. Okay. Oh wow, okay. So it is big. Yeah. So if you're having a party or prepping up something and you need to marinate it and you need a bigger bag, they have them now at the Dollar Tree. Also got some plastic forks and spoons. These are the 48 cutlery sets, heavy duty plastic. I've noticed they're not flimsy. Some you can buy are flimsy. Oh, there are 16 spoons, 16 forks, and 16 knives. So 48. I also got this crazy glue. I have a couple of medium bristle toothbrushes. Got this measuring cup, mix and serve container. I finally tested this out and it's great, so I bought 2. So I'm no longer buying the other brand that's cheaper in Walmart, and I've replaced it with this. Sorry about the glare. And I've also purchased this White Rain. One is the moisturizing shampoo. It has coconut and hibiscus, and then the other one is conditioner. It says Ocean Mist. So I'm gonna give it a try. Also got this. There are only 2 bottles or jars left, and I thought I'd try it. It says Spa Naturals Coconut Oil Moisturizing Cream. Now I just want to use it for my hands, for my knees and elbows. Okay, so that's my haul. It's not that huge. Thanks again for joining me here on my channel. Watch out for my DIY. They'll be coming up pretty soon. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Watch my DIYs as well. I have a playlist for Dollar Tree DIYs. I have more, again, coming up soon. So subscribe, click like, comment down below, and share this channel. Talk to you again in my next video. Bye-bye!